Question 1. What is bioremediation? If we separate bioremediation, then remediance means to solve problem and bioremediation means use of biological organism to solve environment problem like soil contamination and groundwater. Question 2. Which of the following methods are used for removal of pollutants? Answer D all. Bioaccumulation, bioremediation and biodegradation methods are used for removal of pollutants. Question 3. In which of the categories bioremediation techniques are classified? Answer C. Both ex situ and in situ. Question 4. Which of the following are true about ex situ bioremediation technique? Answer D. All. Transport to another area for treatment, physical removal of contaminated material and bioreactor land farming are ex situ method. Example of ex situ method. Question 5. In situ bioremediation technique is treatment of contaminated material at the place. Like example, bioventing, biostimulation. Question 6. Which technique is used for removal of volatile compound from pollutants? Answer A. Biofilters is used for removal of volatile compound for pollutants. Question 7. In which method oxygen is used for contaminated soil? Answer option B. Bioventing. Question 8. What is bioaugmentation? Answer. Addition of bacterial culture to a contaminated medium is called bioaugmentation. Question 9. What are the limitations of bioremediation? Answer D. All. Low efficiency of microorganisms in the area, lack of testing and lower availability on contaminated temporal and septal scale. Question 10. When was the first concept of bioremediation used? Answer. Cleaning of sun oil pipeline spill at Ambler, Pennsylvania. Question 11. Bioremediation is which type of process? Answer. Managed and spontaneous process. Question 12. What is the disadvantage of bioremediation? Answer D. All. Not all compounds are susceptible to degradation, highly specific to microbial process and take longer time than other treatment. 13. In which bioremediation mixing contaminated soil with water or carbon dioxide fertilizer in a bioreactor to stimulate biodegradation? Answer B. Composting. Question 40. Which of the following are involved in the removal of groundwater or soil from contaminated? Ex situ method.